Hello everyone, welcome to our video about autumn. Today we're going to learn Spanish words related to this beautiful season. Autumn is the season that starts after summer and before winter. In autumn, the leaves on the trees change color and fall to the ground. Here are some important words. It's the season of the year that happens between summer and winter. Otoño, autumn, starts in September in the northern hemisphere. Leaves are parts of trees. En otoño cambian de color a amarillo, anaranjado y rojo. For example, las hojas son muy bonitas en otoño. During autumn, some trees lose their leaves. Por ejemplo, los árboles se ven diferentes en otoño. Autumn is the season for harvesting farm products, like apples and pumpkins. Por ejemplo, las manzanas se cosechan en otoño. Pumpkins are very popular in autumn, especially for making decorations and pumpkin pie. Por ejemplo, me gusta decorar mi casa con calabazas. Ein day, wonindaxon mining. In autumn, the weather gets colder and we wear clothes like vests and shawls. Por ejemplo, me pongo un chal cuando hace frío, or zaten stir den jasid and biter dies. In autumn, there are many fun activities. For example, nosotros vamos a recoger manzanas en el huerto. Me encanta caminar por el parque y ver caer las hojas. En octubre celebramos Halloween, donde los niños se disfrazan. That's all for today. Now you know some Spanish words related to otoño. You can practice using these words in sentences. ¿Cuál es tu parte favorita del otoño? Leave us a comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time.